So what does it mean to be a really good partner? Where you have two really good partners, you have a successful relationship. I'm Dr. Sharon Eve. I've been a psychotherapist for a long time. And today I want to talk about what makes a good partner. So you don't have to wonder about it. These are very specific things. You've heard me talk in my other videos about being considerate. One of the things you can do that's really important is we talk about love languages. That's very out there in the common conversation, which is a good thing. And for you to have certain love languages and let her know that. And for her certain love languages, make them important to you. If a woman's one of her love languages is acts of service, plan out how you're going to do acts of service twice a week. If it's her love language is words of affirmation, I would ask her what words of affirmation mean the most to you. Do you like hearing how beautiful you are or different aspects of how you're beautiful? As words of affirmation, me saying, I'm really grateful to be in a relationship with you. It brings me so much joy. Which words of affirmation? And here's the thing I hear from women is that, well, guys will do that one time, maybe two, and then they stop doing it. It's a weird thing. Guys think, okay, if I tell you you're beautiful once, that should stand until I tell you otherwise. And women don't work that way. If you tell her she's beautiful, if that's important to her, tell her that. And then the next day, when she gets stressed or comes out of whatever, the bathroom and she's in her robe, just look at her and say, you know what? I think you're so beautiful. It doesn't have to be only when she dresses up. And it's good to be frequent. So, and don't say something if you don't mean it, because that erodes trust. But don't just say something or do something once that's important to her and then not do it again. So that kind of trust makes her want to feel closer to you. It's part of having a good partnership. She does things for you and you do things for her. You listen to each other. And the reason you do things for each other, this is the reason why you do it, is because you want to make your partner happy. I had a professor when I was doing my graduate work, and he put the idea of love in this question. It was his definition of love, is the question, what can I do to make you happy? In good partnerships, both people are wanting to contribute a lot to the other person. What can I do to make you happy? Those are expressions of love. I want you to feel loved, so I want to do things that make you feel happy, that make you feel safe, that make you feel trust, that make you feel supported. So, what things are on your list? What things could your partner do that would just make you feel a lot of love and feel really supported? And what does your partner want? What is at the top of their list of what will make them happy, how they want to be treated? Let's make those things important. Part of having a good partnership that people want to stay in. Take care. Talk to you soon.